Hey guys, what's going on? Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We have a personal break for John C. 4 boxes. Good luck. I should be a pro with these 4-box breaks by now. Fourth one, I think. Third one. Somewhere in that ballpark. Alright, Mr. Crowder, let's see if I can maybe pull you some mojo. There's the empty. I forgot to post the link. Blah, 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 blah. There's the link for personals, guys. Again, 315 or 215 last call. Just gotta have them ordered by then. I'm not shutting down at 2:15. If I was, I would be the world's fastest ripper for John. Okay. Probably help if, I was zoomed correctly. There we go. Alright, try to pull out. I'm just gonna pull out all the rookies. Obviously, anything I think that'll do alright on Comsey. Weaver. Sean Newcomb is your first auto for the Atlanta Braves. Future Stars at Fulmer. There's a nice Seager Prism. And a Brandon Drury Purple out of 299. Sensatella, Refractor Rookie. Kutch, there's a Syndergaard 87. Ty Block, man, he's in every freaking box. 106 out of 250. Purple Refractor Auto. Winker, Arroyo, and Bellinger. There's 3 nice rookies for ComC right there. And those guys go into the base box. Votto Prism. Oh, Nunez again, man. We just cannot find Franklin Barreto anywhere. He's missing. He's like Waldo. Renato Nunez. Cruz, Strom, Miller, Billy Hamilton, Scherzer. Arenado, Cologne, Refractor, Syndergaard, Future Stars. Thor, then and now. ComC Gold right there. Marquez rookies, those will probably sell decent. Holiday Prism, Freshman Flash, Jordan Montgomery Refractor, Gordon Dozier, DeGrom, Mancini, and Gardner. Mancini rookies. Where'd that go? Seriously, where the hell did that go? There it is. It's ComC. ComC. Have we figured out yet if Judge is live or redemption? I haven't seen anybody actually definitively say. Okay. Crawford Prism. There's a nice Judge right there. Nice Lindor. Ooh, Bellinger Refractor too. Alright, we got a bunch of ComC there. Crawford, Judge, Lindor, Bellinger. Beauties. Beauties. He's live and redemption. Oh, okay. Quite a few guys are. There's a Benny. Dansby. Beautiful Bregman right there. Dansby. Mazzara. Polanco negative. Kepler, Syndergaard Prism, Arroyo Refractor, Luke Weaver. Refractor Auto, 40 out of 499 on the Weaver. There's a Judge rookie. ComC and a Xander. Rest of the stack. Seager 87, Rizzo Refractor, Fulmer. Harper. Jason Hirsch, autographs fairly weak so far. Here's your last auto out of the first box, Jason Hirsch. Winker Refractor, that's nice. Trout. That's not a variation Trout, right? That's just base Trout. Probably sell on COMC anyways. Correa 87, Schimpf, Contreras. Adam Duvall out of 75 for the Reds. Pollock, Cole, Big Papi, and Castro. Ryan Schimpf, you do not make the COMC cut. Sorry, buddy. Alright, box 2 for John. There's the empty. Adam Jones. Arrieta Prism. Ooh, what'd they do? They had X-Fractor autos this year? That is cool as hell. 3 out of 20. They finally brought back the X-Fractor auto. I love it. It's Matt Strom. He's a whammy, but it's an X-Fractor auto at least. Kansas City. Cool card. Beautiful. Alright, there's an Arrieta Prism, too, for COMC. There's a Benny rookie for COMC. There's a Dansby rookie for COMC. Machado, there's a Bruce. Fulmer, there's the Bryant. Boy, that'd be amazing. Rendon, DeLeon, Trevor Story. That looks like it's numbered. It's because it is. 97 out of 99, green. Trevor Story. Strom is now a Padre. Man, talk about killing his mojo. There's another Judge. Contreras, Mazzara, and Bogarts. I think I have a stack right there to go through already, but I'll just go ahead and open this side. Scotty. Seth Lugo is the autograph. I'm loving that X-Fractor auto, though. Those used to be like the base, like the second rarest, or second unrarest, rather. Seager, Suarez, Nova Purple out of 299. Davis, Franco. DeGrom, David Dahl. We got a David Paulino rookie auto. David Paulino. Pollock, Cole, Big Papi, Castro, and Desmond. Into the COMC stack. Get a healthy COMC stack, man. That is healthy. Actually, it's all COMC pretty much so far. Or, yeah, all of it. Moncada, nice rookie. Yelich, Refractor, Glass now, Freshman Flash. Oh. That was good. Josh Smoker. Archer is a Prism for COMC. Josh Smoker. King Felix. Bryant. There's another Moncada. Lindor. Haniger. Syndergaard. Black Britain. And base. I missed somebody here. Aha. Bryant for COMC. 3 packs left. 2 boxes after that. Alright, we're shut down for singles on the night. Quick look at the queue. We got 2 boxes. We got Paris with a hobby and Mr. Every Jeter. Looks like you grabbed something, and Charles grabbed something as well. We got 3 breaks after this, and that'll be the night. Probably take us right to 3 a.m. by the looks. Pence. There's a Bregman. There's an Arenado. Brandon Belt. Longo Mojo. Pedroia. Drury. Springer. Yuli Gurriel. Contreras. And a Carlos Martinez at a 150 for the Cardinals. German Marquez, coming off a great start. So close to the no-no. Colorado Rockies. Still have not hit any elite autos. ComC stuff there. Alright, box 3. Alright, first little stack. Salmon, there's a Syndergaard 87, Dozier. TJ Rivera, so many Met autos. So many Met autos that I don't know. Who are these Mets? Kermeyer, we have a Syndergaard Future Stars, Sanchez. Michael Fulmer negative. Zobrist Refractor. Trout base. Yuli Gurriel, Thompson, Dan Vogelbach for Seattle. 30 out of a $150. That's a blue chrome, not a blue wave. Cole. Desmond and Shipley. 3 stacks. Prism Correa. God, Chad Pinder. Come on, man. Go away. Go away and never come back. Chad Pinder. Benny Rookie. Dansby. Weaver. Jones. You're not going to ComC, Jacoby. Wilson Contreras, Future Stars. Ryan Braun, then and now. Shauna Ziegler. We got nobody yet of note. Yuli Gurriel, Prism. Renfro, Flash. Yachty. There's another Judge. Money in the Bank. Xander and Carpenter. Alright, another little 3 stack, and we'll almost be done with box 3. Final box, box 4. Correa, 87. Cotton, DeLeon, Harper Refractor. Nice. That would appear to be a variation on the Harper. Just a variation. What's up, Leanne? We haven't seen you in so long. We prefer you so much to your husband. David Dahl was the Prism rookie there. Raimel Tapia on the rookie auto. Raimel Tapia. Leanne, how's your weekend going? There's a KB, Moncada. Arenado, Kane, is that a refractor? Possibly be a variation there, I don't know. Lorenzo Kane. It's a refractor though. Lorenzo Kane, Mazzara. Future Stars, Sensatella purple out of 299 for the Rockies. Big fat ComC stack. was gonna say, if he's so great, where's your sappy Instagram post? Come on, you gotta step up your game. Your husband might just feel unwanted and unloved. You know what husbands do when they feel unloved and unwanted? You don't want to know. They go spend their nights in card rooms with other dudes looking at pictures of men on cardboard. Yelich, Prism. You don't want that, do you? Glass now, Panic. This is Nelly Cruz Prism. Or Refractor, sorry. Longo Pedroia. There's a Seager 87. Tanaka Refractor. Lindor in a Franco Green. 42 out of 99. Nice card. 42 out of 99. Tanaka, Matz, and Davis. Do we have anything else left? LeMahieu. Of course we do. We got a Matt friggin' Olson rookie refractor auto. 169 out of 499. Baez, Odorsey, JD, and Teoscar. Okay. Prism, 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 Prism. ComC, last box. I'm fading. There we go. Final box. I need to pull him a monster here. This is not going well. Donnie Hart is not a monster. Donnie Hart. Hendricks Fake Super. Russell. Lindor Prism. Andrew Miller Negative. Nice KB, 87. Bartolo, nice auto, Ryan Healy. One of the better of the low end. Like if you took all the low end autos, he would be at the top of the low end autos. Ryan Healy. D. Gordon, Dozier, DeGrom, Mancini. That's a ComC rookie right there. You want me to mark the other side of these, John? I'd be more than happy to. You can try your luck with old Ronnie, DJ Ronnie B tomorrow. He might have the hot hand for you. I clearly did not so far. Salvi, Nelson, Pollock, Cole, Ortiz, and Castro. But I could just mark them now, and then he'd know. Sounds good. I'll mark them right on screen so you see exactly which ones they are. What did I do? A pack out of order here? I guess I did a pack out of order. Terrible. Terrible! Justin Bohr Prism. DeLeon. Jake Thompson. Man, there really are a lot of frickin' $1 and $2 autos in there. It very well could be, Danny. There's not much in the middle. There's not like, oh, he's okay. Like Mancini's one of those ones. Like, he's good. But he's not elite level pricing, or elite level value, rather. Dansby 87 rookie, Rizzo, Turner sophomore stats, Trevor Story then and now. That is not going to ComC. Because it won't hold its value. Alright, final three. Pretty much, Dodgers and Yankees, dude. Dodgers and Yankees. Yeah, Boston in there with Benny. Yeah, we hit the Seager earlier, Danny. The Superfractor Seager. I don't know if you saw it in the group or not. Or Leanne. Maybe Danny saw it. I'm not sure if you saw it, Leanne. There's a Benny. There's a Dansby. There's a Margot. There's an Eddie Gamboa for the Rays. Greinke base, Ziegler base. Busta Rhymes, Trevor Story. There's a Hoffman out of 150. Hoff. Don't hassle the Hoff. That's a blue. Verlander, there's another Judge for your ComC, Port, Mazzara, and Wilson. Last stack for you, John. I gotta think it's 100 plus. I gotta think, Danny. I mean, I've never seen him sign. He's obviously world renowned, but I would think it's good money. There's a Pujols. Oh, Carpenter has a then and now set. That's cool, Danny. Gotta get that card, man. 40 to 60? Yeah, I thought it'd be way more. Mancini Refractor. That's surprising that it's that low. Even the on-card version? Shadow Refractor. Urias. There's a Purple Milkman. 290 out of 299. God, Charles. Without Joe here, we gotta have somebody to push the envelope. There's a Moncada. Gary Sanchez. Hey, there you go. Your second to best auto, Trey Mancini. Man, I failed you on that. Trey Mancini. Rookie auto for the O's. Gonzalez, Bell, Maeda, Quinn, and Cespedes. So, here's what I'll do. Let me mark these, John, and I will let Ron know that these are for you tomorrow night. You can just pay for them tomorrow. No rush on that. Watch there be a friggin' super in here. And then friggin' Ron's gonna get all the credit, man. Alright, let me save this.